Auntie Mame Bakes. Okay. So Auntie Mame Bakes, we've got, I always find it so amazing that people sell homemade cookies on Etsy. I don't even know how. I don't know. I know originally this wasn't possible. You couldn't do it. So I guess they changed the rules at some point. But overall, they still look amazing, don't they? So let's check it out. We got gluten-free, chocolate chip, cherry cookies, vegan cookies, homemade cookies, dozen cookies, organic cookies. So I think that's great. Lots of great keywords. I don't know if I would start it right off with gluten-free because I think chocolate chip cookie would be like the perfect keyword for this. That's what I think of when I see this. I just think chocolate chip cookie. So I'd probably put chocolate chip cookie #1, and then I would do like gluten-free and then go cherry cookies and so on. But Sayo loves the gluten-free. I know the people that love the gluten-free love the gluten-free. So I guess it is, maybe you could do gluten-free chocolate chip cookie, but it basically says that. So overall, the keywords look pretty good. Cookies are beautifully fantastic, innocent guilty pleasure, local orders. And let's see, buy now, $30. So to me, I can't quite see what the ingredients. I don't know exactly how many cookies I'm getting. So that's important. This is one of the areas where the search title fails you a little bit because it really is just for keywords. I think it says dozen up here somewhere. Cookies, vegan cookies. So I think right at the top of your listing, you want to just make it abundantly clear. This comes with 12 cookies or however many cookies it comes with, because I'm having a look around and I still don't really have a concrete answer on the number of cookies. Another thing that I think would be really important, I'm always wondering when I see something like this, how is it shipped? You know, I would love to see a picture of the box because cookies, I think, would be a great gift. You know, and if you bought these at a bakery, they'd probably come in a nice, pretty little box with like the clear transparent top so you could look through it. So I think a picture of the box would be really helpful, because if somebody wanted to bring this to a party or, you know, they wanted to give it to somebody as a gift, they wanted to present and look nice. And I think this is an opportunity for you too. You have a nice looking logo here. You could get stickers made, and then you could just put a little sticker on the box too. And then you got, you know, because you got some personality and in your you know, your logo there. And I bet you could even find someone on Etsy to just make stickers. Custom sticker labels. I bet you can. Your logo here, $8. Look at that. Right there, select an option. You could get a 1-inch sticker and then number of sheets, 1 sheet. So that's pretty cool right there. You got somebody that could get you some stickers. Again, how many stickers come on a sheet? Select the number of sticker sheets. Number of stickers. Oh, there we go. So 1 inch, you got 63 a sheet. There we go. Good information right there. So you got a good idea for a breakdown right here, kind of how you can get a breakdown. I'll pop this link over for you. I think that would be really nice to have. Would be a little, you could come over here and look, for $8, you can get 63 stickers. 63 1-inch stickers. That's an incredible deal. That's why this shop has 11,000 sales. Boom, right there. You give them your logo, and now you got a custom looking box. And I think you could do some of the same things. Pam has another good suggestion. The actual size of the cookie. Is it a 3-inch cookie or whatever? So I think a few more photos showing the box. Give yourself, you could even have somebody holding the cookie like a hand, because then you can see how big it is in the hand, and we just instantly know how big it is then. And then I think you could also give some different size options. You know, if somebody wanted to buy 6 cookies, because somebody might want to buy this, you know, if you were going to buy just, you know, get some cookies for just a friend, maybe for their birthday, but maybe you don't want to give them a dozen cookies for themselves. Maybe you think that's too many. So somebody might want to just get 6 cookies, and they might be willing to pay a pretty penny for each of those cookies. So you could just charge a lot more per cookie, since it would take a little bit more work. But I like this shop, Amy. Keep it up. Those are my suggestions, and good luck. Keep it going there.